Hi, I'm Cole with Leisure Time. We're here installing a tub in Idaho Falls, Idaho today, and we have a Vanguard, a Hot Springs model here, so come along with us and see how we get it done. So we just got the tub all placed in exactly where the customer wants it. So now we're going to put on the cover and install the lifter. And then after that's all done, we'll get the electrical installed. So we're filling up the tub now. We're just waiting on the electrician right now. He's gonna come and run the wire, but we're gonna get it fully filled and then hook it up after. All right, so the tub's fully installed and ready to go. The customers are super happy with it. So thank you very much for coming along with us, and we'll see you next time.